So he calls us to move. He calls us to become. And ultimately, he calls us to get out of the boat. If we want to be disciples of Jesus Christ, we have got to get out of the boat.
We have a long history with this church. You've housed us, you've made sure that there was water to clean us, you've fed us, and you've always welcomed us. So on behalf of North Liberty Presbyterian Church, Doug Thompson and myself, and the Shenango Presbytery, we want to thank you.